If you want to learn how to make this beautiful arrangement, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. And to all our subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. And this is FemMNY. And for today's video, I'll be making this beautiful design and we'll be using this stand right here. And all the materials that we have here will be in the description down below. For this balloon, this is 5 inches and we will inflate it to 4.5 inches. Then pair this up. Just like that. Now you make another one. Turn it into quad. Just like that. So now I already pre-made a lot of this. And I'm just gonna make this into quad. So I already made a bunch of this. So again, just twist them together. After you connect them, you will need your 260 balloon. I'll tie this right here. Then connect it here. So just like that. You put this in between the gap, just like that. Then I'll connect another 260 balloon. So you make this longer. There you go. I'll put this on the side for now. So we need our stand. So I'll attach this here. Put this in between the pole. And then you can use this to tie it. Just like that. Connect more here. Then I'll put one here as well. Just like that for now. Alright, so this time we will attach this one here. If you're new to this channel, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this. And please check it out right there. So I made another one, a bigger one, so we will put this on top. It's the same process on how you make this, but it's just that I made it 7 petals. So this one I arranged, so they're the same, like this. So put this on top, I put like a little extra balloon, so you can attach it right on here. So once you put this on top, it will look like this. And I made 3 of this. So what I did, on the bottom part, I inflated a 260 balloon and attached it here. Just like that. So we'll put this here. We'll attach. So we got those on there, and I'm gonna add another quad, and I'll attach it here. Alright, so this time you might need some of your glue dots, and we'll attach this here. Again, we have a different video tutorial on how to make this, and again, please check that out right there if you're new to this channel. And this one is also another one, but I don't have a video tutorial on this one. It'll be on the next vlog. Alright, we'll put that up in the link. So I'll put this here, and you can stick it here and support it with your glue dots so it's not gonna fall out. Alright, and we'll also add this tulips right here. Again, we have a different video tutorial right there. Please check that out on how to make this. And we'll attach this here. And we'll also put this here. This will be on the back side, and I'll attach this using our balloon glue dots. Alright, so we got them all, and now we have another flower. Again, if you want to know where to get this or how to make this, please follow that video right there. I just changed the top thing right here. Alright, so we'll attach this here again using your balloon glue dots. Alright guys, so we have 260Q. You stretch this. I should have done this the very first time before I put the balloon. So you just have to inflate a little, and we'll cover the pole. That's all you need. And we'll attach this here. So all the way to the bottom, but if you don't have enough, you can make another one. Alright, so we will cut this off and we'll splice another one. Just like that. Alright, so this time we have 4 balloons. 10 inches balloon inflated to 7 inches. Put this on the very bottom. Just twist. This one, 10 inches inflated to 5.5. For the last touch, we will put this here and cover the stand. Alright, just like that, and just arrange them in place, and ain't that beautiful, guys? This is it, guys. This is our arrangement for today. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. We're on our way to 100K. Once again, this is FemMNY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.